Alright y'all, I wanted to come to y'all. Today is a special day. Look what showed up in the mail. Silver play button, and just tell y'all how much I truly appreciate y'all. And let's go ahead and unbox it. And it's really unbelievable, y'all. It's been a short period of time, and there's so much more that we're gonna do and go over food and recipes, and we always have a good time. But let's go ahead on and open it up together and see what it looks like. Alright, it's pretty exciting, really. I mean, y'all couldn't have did it without y'all, so I do truly appreciate y'all, okay? Let's see. Okay. It's got a little fancy something, whatever you call this. It's got a little business card, y'all. Congratulations on your subscribers milestone. That's pretty awesome. Show them this piece of paper. Pause it if you need to read that. That's pretty cool. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead on and get the plaque out, huh? Check it out. There's the silver play button, y'all. Which is really, really, really awesome. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all just don't know. It's crazy. It's really crazy to believe that this happened so fast. I mean, I've been posting videos on YouTube and for really like longer than 2 months, but really a lot of things, and a lot of y'all found me within the last 2 months, and here we are already with a silver play button. That's absolutely awesome. I don't really know what to say, y'all. I really appreciate y'all though, you know. So there's a lot more to come on the channel, y'all. Like I said, we're just getting started, and I just appreciate y'all, and y'all have a wonderful day. And until the next recipe, y'all be safe and be blessed. Let's go.